So I started wearing glasses when I was in third grade. I was counting this morning, I have 20 pairs of prescription glasses at home. So there's a lot of glasses that I rely on. And with contact lenses, I feel like they're very uncomfortable. After a long 8-hour or 12-hour day, my eyes feel very tired. It is very nerve-wracking not being able to see clearly. I've gone on vacation before and lost a pair of glasses. You don't get the full experience of everything when you're not seeing as clearly as you should. I think it's a great time to have LASIK. Of course, it's scary for any type of procedure, but I'm trying my best to be calm. I know that there's a great team of people behind it.